Does your production process release large quantities of welding fumes and dust? Do several staff members work at the same time at different workstations? Then we have the suitable solution for you, our Kemper System 8000 and 9000 extraction and filter systems. They are suited for production halls with welding and grinding workstations, training facilities for robot welding lines, and can be tailor-made to suit your needs. The two systems differ in particular by the size of the filter surface and extraction performance. System 8000 is particularly compact and space-saving. It is supplied as a plug-and-play model. The plant is available in many combinations, up to a performance of maximum 10,000 cubic meters per hour or a maximum filter area of 160 square meters. The System 9000 connects to this plant. The largest version can capture up to 36,000 meters of air per hour and has a filter surface of 500 square meters. The plant is assembled from individuals on site. Two systems guarantee maximum occupational safety. Even ultrafine nanoparticles below 0.1 micrometers can be separated from the contaminated air. This is made possible by our special Chemtex EPTFE filter cartridges. All plans are IFAW3 certified. This means they are also approved for processing high alloy steels. And this is how the system works. A pipe system connects the plant with the extraction elements. These may be extraction arms, extraction hoods, or extraction tables. We recommend the use of the so-called demand-dependent suction power control if several workstations are connected. This means that the vacuum remains constant in the pipe system, no matter how many workstations are in use. This saves a lot of energy. In the plant, the hazardous substances are faced with our high-efficiency EPTFE filter cartridges. They are arranged vertically, in contrast to many other plants, and therefore do not contaminate each other with dust when cleaned. Cleaning is done gently and evenly by rotating nozzles using compressed air. This leads to a long filter life since there is no mechanical deformation of the filter cartridges. In contrast to time-controlled cleaning, our demand-dependent differential pressure control method also saves a lot of energy. With Kemper, you are also on the safe side with regards to the collection and disposal of the dust. The dust collection container is always safely locked, thanks to a special compressed airlifting device. In operation, the Systems 8000 and 9000 are among the most quiet. This is due to the fact that the fan is installed in a soundproof housing. Despite high extraction performance, the fans are whisper quiet at 65 dBA. Compare the values. The plants can be run in both extraction or recirculation mode, and operation could not be simpler. Both systems have a Siemens S7 control with a comfortable touch display and diagnostic system. Integration in third-party systems, such as cutting systems, is also possible. Furthermore, a weather protection model is also available for outer installation. For outer installations, you are able to control and monitor the plant from the inside thanks to a separate control panel. And that's not all. We offer optional equipment and even more service. We contain potential dust explosions by fitting explosion panels. With our SparkTrap, we reduce the filter fire risk to a minimum. The SparkTrap removes all coarse particles and sparks. Furthermore, we can integrate a spark extinguishing system. This system recognizes sparks early and actively extinguishes them. In case of very large quantities of smoke and dust, Kemper offers a Dust Evac, a system for automatic contamination-free discharge of dust into big bags. With careful planning, our specialists ensure the legal and operational safety of your plant. Of course, we will not let you down once the system is installed. Our Kemper service teams are happy to look after your plant with regards to service and maintenance for many years. Kemper, the right partner for extraction technology and occupational safety.